Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I am here sharing my kit for January 2025. Feels weird to say 2025. I'm under the assumption that I will have a sticker planner coming. If you saw my planner stack video, you kind of know what's going on with that getting delayed. But I'm going to assume it's going to arrive eventually, and I'm going to have a planner to use kits in. So I'm starting off, there are 5 weeks that are predominantly in January, so I have 5 kits right now. So first off is December 30th through January 5th. And for this one, I'm using this kit from Lovely Planner Blog called Festive Puppies. I think it's super cute and definitely has like New Year's vibes, and I think I can add perhaps some gold foiled accents to it, perhaps even in a few of these boxes. We're gonna have to see how that goes. But it gives off New Year's vibes, so I thought that it would be perfect for this week. For the next week, it is January 6th through 12th, and that one is just like a very wintry week for me. I feel like since, you know, we're back in the swing of things and everything. So I'm gonna use this kit from My Planner Life UK called Midnight Forest. I think this is perfect for this kind of snowy vibes time of year. I like the navy and the turquoisey blues, and I really like how this kit, along with other ones from My Planner Life, are very easy to do the setup and then just fill things in during the week, and it's quick and easy. So I'm excited to use this kit. For the third week, it's January 13th through 19th, and this week is my sister's wedding shindig, we're gonna call it. She and her husband have been married for a while, but they have never done like a wedding celebration, and so that's gonna happen during this week. So I am using this kit from Simply Gilded. It's called Dreamer. I got this in a box, like a grab box situation, but I thought it would be perfect for this week. It is hollow foiled. I don't know if you can see that. But super beautiful. I like this little like CD music vibes for partying. I like the colors and how they seem wintry, but also very pretty. So I think it'll be really good for this week. So this page has full boxes and a few headers. And then over here, I have lots of date covers. This is intended to be used as like a monthly kit in a planner, but I'm going to use it as a weekly kit. I think it's going to work out fine, but I have a lot of date covers. I'm not sure which ones I'm going to pick, but they're all beautiful, and I will definitely use one of them. I have some skinny headers over here, some half boxes, lots of checklists and flags, some icons, some deco, things like that. All of these pages are foiled. And then even more checklists, some extra headers, like 1/3 boxes, more headers here, and more half boxes here. And then we also get date dots and some more icons. These are all cut out as hearts. And then this is like the bows page. I don't think I'm gonna end up using this during the week. This actually comes from the Home Sweet Home set, but it matches. So I feel like that'll be good to be able to put everything all together. I'm actually gonna stick these 2 small pages in the middle so I don't lose them. But that's the kit for the 3rd week. For the 4th week, it's January 20th through the 26th. I don't know. In the US, it's gonna be an interesting week. But for this week, I'm also planning to kind of lean into the cozy vibes. And this is actually the leftovers of a deluxe kit from B&R Paper Crafts called Cozy Time. I have used this kit in a previous planner, but I thought that it would be perfect with the kind of like wintry vibes to use here. So I have 4 sets of washi here, which I usually trim the little lines between the washi strips and then treat these like full boxes or slightly less than full box length. Also have some little boxes here and some headers. Here's some more headers and some icons and checklists. I like the green. I think that's a fun mix in here. I have some date dots, which it does cover the right days for the month. I have a full box and a movie guy. Not sure if you can hear my cat in the background. Sorry if that's the case. Lots of boxes here, headers, little things, stuff like that here. And then here's 4 more full boxes. And then finally, full box checklists. So across this, I have 4 full boxes here. I have one more right here, and then I have these 3 that are almost full boxes. So I do have enough for some sort of deco on every day. So I think it's gonna work out pretty okay for the overarching setup. And then we get to the last week that is predominantly in January, and that's January 27th through February 2nd. And for this week, I'm using this kit from Vintage Glam Studio. It's called Citrus Blooms. So if you've been watching my channel for a while, you will know that pretty much every February, most of my spreads are pink. Just because, you know, Valentine's vibes feels like it kind of fits in with February. And I thought that this one with the blue and the pink was a really good transition from January, which in my mind I think of as blue because it's, you know, wintry, to February with all the pink vibes for Valentine's Day. So I think this will turn out well. Like with the My Planner Life UK kit, this is a very fast kit to get the setup done, which is also very nice. And I can just kind of crank some things out and be able to use my planner super functionally, which I think will be very helpful. Sorry, I didn't mean to move you guys. All right. So I think that's everything for now. So I have, I'm going to stick the paper to the side. These 5 kits, if I can get them all laid out, for the month of January, and I am excited to use all 5 of these. So as always, please like and subscribe below if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. It helps me out. Let me know which of these kits you're most excited to see me use, or alternatively, which kit you're most excited to use in January. I would love to hear about that down below. Or if you don't have anything that you want to leave, but you do want to say hi, I would love to hear from you, words, and leave me a dog emoji to say hi. I think that would be really cute and very cheerful, and I would love to see that. And then also follow me on Instagram at Creative Life of Liz. You'll see in progress and finished spreads with all of these kits, as well as bits and pieces of my other planners, my life, what I'm reading, all that good stuff. And until next time, bye.